Hi, good morning. Today we discussed about prostaglandin analogs. What is prostaglandins? These are group of physiologically active lipid compounds. We can call it as eicosanoids. This usually derived from enzymatically from the fatty acid arachidonic acid. Prostaglandins contains 20 carbon atoms and is including 5 carbon rings. Actually, this is the subclass of eicosanoids and of the prostanoid class of fatty acid derivatives. First, we got this discovery of prostaglandin. Prostaglandins were discovered in human semen in 1935 by a Swedish physiologist Ulf von Hüller. Soon K. Bergström and Samuelson John R. Wayne, these are awarded Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine of 1982 for their discoveries concerning prostaglandins and related biologically active substances. So first come to this eicosanoids. Eicosanoids, these are the derivatives of 20 carbon atom polysaturated essential fatty acids. These are derived from the cell membrane phospholipids. Most universally distributed autocoids are prostaglandins, leukotrienes and thromboxane. Today we discussed about prostaglandins and their analogs. Prostaglandins, these are mainly is the derivative of prostanoic acid. What is prostanoic acid? Is a saturated fatty acid which mainly contains the cyclopentane ring. Its derivatives are, this prostanoic acid derivatives are prostaglandins. These are physiologically active lipid substances. This prostanoic acid is not found in nature but it can be synthesized in vitro. This is the main pathway of prostanoid synthesis. This may be synthesized from arachidonic acid. There is a cyclooxygenase pathway as COX-1 and COX-2. The prostaglandins and thromboxane can be synthesized from this prostanoid synthesis pathway. Next we come to this biosynthesis of prostaglandins. This the pathway for making the prostaglandin is an extension of the fatty acid synthesis pathway. Prostaglandin molecules is mainly associated with localized pain. These are synthesized in cells from arachidonic acid which has been cleaved from membrane lipid. The enzyme catalyzing their synthesis is known as prostaglandin synthase, but is more commonly referred to as cyclooxygenase enzyme, that is COX. Inhibition of this action of this enzyme is a strategy of non-steroidal pain relievers like NSAIDs drugs like aspirin, ibuprofen. This inhibition of this release of arachidonic acid from membranes is the mechanism of action of steroidal anti-inflammatories, which inhibits this phospholipase A2 that catalyze the cleavage reactions. This COX pathway is mainly responsible for this prostaglandin productions. That is, we can synthesize different types of prostaglandins PGE2, PGD2, PGF2 and then thromboxane is also synthesized from this COX pathway. Prostacyclin, this causes the, that is PGI2, this causes vasodilatory action, but this thromboxane A2 that causes vasoconstriction. Prostaglandins contracts GI and bronchial smooth muscles. Thromboxane A2, this induces platelet aggregation, thus prostaglandin I2 is PGI2 inhibits. PGE2 and PGF2 alpha contracts uterus. This prostaglandin stimulates bone turnover and sensitizes the nerve endings to pain. What are the main uses of this prostaglandins? Abortion, facilitation of labor, cervical priming, to control postpartum hemorrhage, to maintain the patency of ductus arteriosus, for prevention of platelet aggregation, open angle glaucoma, peptic ulcer. These are some prostanoid receptors. These receptors brings about their effects by acting on prostanoid receptors which are G protein coupled. DP, EP, EP, IP and TP, these are the specific receptors for different types of prostaglandin analogs. DP, these receptors is subcategorized as DP1 and DP2. DP1 is the relaxant receptors. This main role is dilate certain blood vessels and inhibit platelet aggregation. DP2 receptors, this couples with GI protein and inhibits CMP generation. EP receptor, this shows the highest affinity for PGE2. Inoprestinol, this is selective agonist. Say 4 subtypes. EP1, this is the contractile receptor, contracts visceral smooth muscles but is less abundant in the body. EP2 and EP4 are the relaxant in nature, acts by increasing CMP in smooth muscles but the same second messenger enhances chlorine and water secretion by the intestinal mucosa. EP4, these have a wide distribution. EP3 is the inhibitory and this decrease the CMP generation by coupling with GI protein. FP, these are the contractile receptor, is highly expressed in the female genital tract and is present in many other organs. Fluprostenol is a selective agonist. IP, these are relaxant receptors, highest affinity for PGI2 but PGE2 also acts on it. Cicaprose is a selective agonist, is expressed in heart, lungs, kidney and platelet, highest density in vasculature. TP is the highest affinity for thromboxane A2, contractile receptor is abundant in platelets, CVS, immune cells and many other organs. PGH2, this can activate TP. Next we come to this chemistry of this prostaglandins. Chemically this may be considered as this derivative of prostanoic acid. Prostanoic acid, this is structurally is a fatty acid. This contains a cyclopentene ring and this the derivative of this prostanoic acid is the derivatives are prostaglandins. Prostaglandins, these are the unsaturated carboxylic acid consisting of 20 carbon skeleton that also contains 5-member ring and are based upon fatty acid and arachidonic acids. These all are biochemically synthesized from the fatty acid arachidonic acid. There are a variety of structures as 1, 2 or 3 double bonds on the 5-member ring. There may also be double bonds, keto or alcohol groups. Next we come to this types of prostaglandins. Prostaglandins, these are different categories. Prostaglandin D2, E2. This D2 type is the mainly binds to DP1 receptors as well as DP2 receptors. And this prostaglandin D2 category is majorly produced by mast cells. In mammalian organs, large amount of PGD2 are found only in brain and in mast cells. In structure, this the OH groups at the position 9 and 15 and this OXO groups at the position 11. It has a role as a human metabolites and a mouse metabolites. Another categories is the PGE2 is the naturally occurring prostaglandin, most common, most biologically active of mammalian prostaglandin. It has important effects during labor and also stimulates osteoblasts to release factors which stimulates bone resorptions by osteoclast. Another categories are prostaglandin F2 and prostaglandin G2. Another important category is prostaglandin H2 and prostaglandin I2. Prostaglandin H2, this contains 2 double bonds on a hydroxyl group, carboxyl group and 5 chiral centers. This type is first intermediate in biosynthesis of all prostaglandins. Prostaglandin H2, this is an olefinic compound and is a secondary alcohol and a prostaglandin H. It has a role as a mouse metabolite. This prostaglandin I2, that is prostacyclin, is a recently discovered prostaglandin that affects many organs in the systems. The Recent demonstration that it is the main prostaglandin synthesis by blood vessel wall suggested that it may play an important role in limiting platelet-mediated thrombosis. Next come to this actions of prostaglandins. CVS action, prostacyclin causes vasodilation while thromboxane A2 causes vasoconstriction. PGE2 and PGF2 alpha, these are the weak cardiac stimulants. Next is action on GIT. Most prostaglandin and thromboxane stimulates GIT smooth muscles resulting in colic and watery diarrhea. PGE2 inhibits gastric acid secretion and this enhances mucus production. Thus they have a protective effects on gastric mucosa. Next, PGE2 and PGI2, this mainly relax bronchial smooth muscles, while this thromboxane A2 and PGF2 alpha, this mainly contracts them. They also have a main role in the pathophysiology of bronchial asthma. Thromboxane A2, this mainly induces platelet aggregation, but this PGI2 inhibits platelet aggregation. PGE2 and PGI2, this mainly causes renal vasodilation and has a diuretic action. Next is action on uterus. PGE2 and F2 alpha contracts human uterus, which is more sensitive to prostaglandin during pregnancy. Both prostaglandin E2 and I2 are responsible for maintaining the patency of fetal ductus arteriosus. PGF2 alpha is more potent than PGE2. Prostaglandins may increase the body temperature when administered into cerebral ventriculus. They also induce sleep. PGE1 and PGE2 are pyrogenic. PGE2 and PGI2 sensitize sensory nerve endings to pain and on intradermal injection cause pain. Prostaglandin stimulates bone resorptions and formation, increases bone turnover. PGE2 plays a role in osteoporosis. Some prostaglandin shows the lower intraocular pressures, example PGF2 alpha and PGE2. PGE2 is considered to be the principal pro-oncogenic prostanoid. Thromboxane A2 is a pro-carcinogenic mediator. These are the some prostaglandin analogues. This therapeutically used misoprostol, gimiprost, and this ripoprostol, and this alloprostidol, danoprost,